Y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you tonight. And this is a video I'm doing. It's kind of a prequel to a bigger video. Hopefully I've got coming this weekend. It's going to be big, good stuff. But this video here tonight is how to make a roux. And how to make a roux a foolproof way. I'm going to show y'all. Alright, this way you don't got to be scared if you want to make a dark brick roux, something like that for a gumbo or whatever you got. You want to get you a nice size cast iron pan right here. Alright, you want to get you equal parts vegetable oil. That's 2 cups right there. Okay. And you got your 2 cups of flour. Alright, and then this is a 12-inch skillet, number 12 I've got here. So let y'all know, cold skillet, and we're going to just kind of mix all this together. Alright? Take a minute or so to just get it mixed together the best you can. Now, I'm doing this on the counter, not on a burner, for some of you wondering, probably think I'm crazy. What's he doing? Well, I've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. This is going to be an oven-made roux. In this way, it's a lot easier than sitting over your stove, stirring and stirring constantly for 45 minutes to an hour, to even longer, to get that beautiful roux, and then taking the chance of burning it. Because that's very easy to do. This is, like I said, supposed to be a foolproof method. So we're going to stir this like this, kind of get it a little smooth, everything mixed in. And we'll go through here and wipe some of that flour off the edge there. Don't want that raw flour falling back in here later. Alright? Wipe that off the edge as much as you can, okay? And that should be good. Now we're going to get our oven to 350. And we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to check it about every 30 minutes for about an hour and a half until we get the color that we want. Alright, so we're going to, I might peek in at it in 15 minutes just to see, but you'll peek in, you'll re-stir it, all that kind of stuff. But there, we got it mixed up there. It's ready to go in the oven on 350 degrees. See that? Got my oven there. And we're going to just put that right in there on the shelf. 350. Close it up. And we're ready to roll. I'm going to set the timer. Show the first 30 minutes is up. I'm going to get it out and see what she looks like. Oh man, it's a heavy pot. Pan. Alright, look at that there. Y'all can see, I'm going to bring you in a little bit. Looks nice, you know. You can tell there's a little bit of brown or something going on. And what we want to do is just want to mix that around. And stir it there. Make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom or anything like that. Just a little bit. It's just basically kind of starting to foam up a little bit, okay? That should be good on the stirring, I guess. Don't say how long to stir it, so we'll put it back in there. We'll go another 30 minutes, and I'll come right back to y'all and we'll see how she do. All right, y'all, here it is after the second 30 minutes, or after an hour of cooking. Okay. Go ahead and just stir it up a little bit more. It's really neat. So I just want to bring y'all along and each deal with this. So and you can really smell that nutty flavor right now with the roux. We're starting to get fragrant. So then we'll go ahead and put it back in there for another 30. Alright, y'all, this is after our next 30-minute interval here. I kind of lost track of how many of these intervals we've had. Oh yeah, it's getting nice caramel color right here. Real nice. Okay. I like that. So we'll stir this up. Put it back in here. And let's just hope we get that nice dark brown here the next go round. Definitely getting darker. And without having to stand here and stir the whole time, that's nice. Alright y'all, this is the 4th time I've taken out this thing. It's the 2-hour mark. And it's almost there. It's not, oh crud, come on. Ah. Okay, y'all know I don't do the cuts and pets and stuff like that. So we're going to find us another spoon. Y'all bear with me. I can't believe that just happened. Alright, there we go. So, gosh dang it. So yeah, I think we got one more time until we're going to hit that magic color with this one. So we're right at 2 hours. This bad boy Roux. And, oh yeah. Just going to stir this up well and put it right back in there. Alright y'all, so this is it. After 2.5 hours in the oven, looks like we want. This is how it really looks. A nice medium dark brown, and this is where I'm going to stop it. Now, you could take another 30 minutes probably and keep on going, but here's my thing. I like to go ahead and stop it here and store it. That way, if I want a little bit lighter roux or something like this, like a peanut butter, I can use it for something else. Then for my gumbo, I can always cook it off a little bit more. When I use it, and get a little bit darker if I want. So I'm going to stop at this stage, but again, this took 2.5 hours at 350. Of course, just stirring every 30 minutes. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to pour it in a glass dish, and we will refrigerate this. It'll be really, really good. Okay, so we can use this for the gumbos or whatever else we want. By the way, a little pro tip I suggest, I pour a little bit of oil off the top of this. Oil in a roux is really not much more anything for flavor, it's just to cook the flour. So when you pull it out here, it's kind of separated. I just poured some of the oil off the top, alright, before we pour it in a little jar for the plate. This is what I'm keeping in right here, this little Pyrex. I am going to cover it with some saran wrap, or after it cools off, put it in the refrigerator, and we'll use some of this weekend. There you have it, oven baked roux.